In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable desktop app performance memory save in Canva. This setting is useful if you're using the Canva desktop app and you want to better manage how much memory it uses on your computer. Turning memory saver on can help if your device is a bit slower or you like to keep a lot of other programs open at the same time. Turning it off can be helpful if you have plenty of resources and want Canva to run at full performance without any limitations. I'll walk you through where to find this option and how to change it, step by step. First, open Canva and make sure you're signed into your account. From the main Canva dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the option for Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Canva keeps all of your main preferences and account controls, so it's the place you'll usually go when you need to adjust how Canva behaves. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Your Profile. Click on your profile to open up your personal account settings. This section includes things like your basic account details and other preferences related to how Canva works specifically for you rather than for a team or billing. Inside your profile, scroll down until you find the section called Desktop App Performance. This is where Canva gives you control over the memory saver option for the desktop app. Take a moment to locate the toggle for memory saver. You'll see a simple switch that you can turn on or off. If you want Canva to use less memory and be a bit lighter on your system resources, make sure the memory saver toggle is turned on. This can help if you notice your computer slowing down while using Canva alongside other applications. On the other hand, if you want maximum performance and your device can handle it, you can toggle memory saver off so Canva has more freedom to use your computer's memory. After you adjust the toggle, your changes should take effect automatically. You don't need to save anything manually. Just keep Canva open and continue working as usual. If you ever feel a change in performance, you can come back to this same desktop app performance section and switch the memory saver setting again until it feels right for your workflow.